Good morning, fellow traders. Paul here. It's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Tuesday, January the 19th, 2021. I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday weekend. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we left with the market on Friday. So we were down a little bit, right, but we still have a green month right here above the upper Bollinger Band. Weekly chart, we finished with this inside week Harami, so we really need to see how it handles these levels. If we break above the inside week high, we could see a push to the upside. Watch out if it breaks down below the low. Again, a little bit tricky right here below the ADMA and below the channel, but it still looks like a possible 1, 2, 3, 4. If this holds right here, we could see impulsive action to the upside. We are gapping up today, so we're going to look at that. To see how that holds for a potential gap and go. So let's take a look at the SPY here this morning. Again, increased volume on Friday. Again, it was option expirations day. We're gapping up over Friday's high, so it's like a professional gap up, right? Which could squeeze out some shorts going into today. The S&P futures definitely tracking these levels. We want to see if we can get over the overnight highs and get into this range right here to test this congestion zone right here, which is a VPOC from Thursday. So we're definitely going to be checking that out. Let's take a look at the MES here this morning. Again, we cleared this line right here, so we've got a fresh geometric line here to the upside. So we're going to see how that holds here this morning. We're getting a little bit extended over it, so there's technically a bump line in here. Watch out in case it breaks down below that geometric line going into today. The Qs as well, again, looking like they're trying to gap over Friday's high. If they could do that, right, we could start to eat into Thursday's levels, so we definitely need to check on that. The IWM finally got over the top of this channel right here this morning. It's liking the stimulus talks again. It's kind of, kind of counter speak here, right? I mean, everything was up on stimulus and then it was down on Friday supposedly on the taxes on stimulus, and now more stimulus. Well, that would be more taxes, right? So we'll see how that goes going into today. Keep an eye on the IWM, of course. Keep an eye on the XLF. We've got Goldman Sachs and Bank of America reporting this morning, so that could definitely have an effect on the financials, which could weigh on the market one way or the other. So good stuff there. Let's take a look at Apple. So Apple gapping up a little bit this morning, but kind of pulling back here, back below the ADMA here on the 15-minute chart. So let's see how that holds going into the open. Did have an upgrade this morning. Tesla, again, Tesla's got released their vehicle in China. So we'll see how that goes. It's now a Chinese electrical vehicle name, right? So we've got that going on as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubble Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.